In my previous video, I explained how to create a class and object by using Java, but the assigning of class variables we can done in three ways by using reference method, by using the method, and the other one is by using constructor. In my previous video, I explained about how to create and assigning the value of the class by using the reference method. Here I am using the method how to assigning the value to the variables in class. So first I am separating two files, which is example2 and example2 main. In the example2 I just mentioning the variables and method, but the actual main method which I am going to write in my example2 main. First example2 file I just creating one class which is example2. Inside this I am assigning two variables, which is name and mark. Name which is in string data type, the mark which is in integer data type. After that I want to display something in this display method which is has no return type. So in front of display I am mentioning void here. Then I want to print something like name and mark. So I am just mentioning system.out.println. Inside this I am pausing name, little space, and mark. First I am assigning the variables, then I am creating one display method. Then I want to create a method which I want to assigning the value to the variables in class. So I am creating the method which this is also have no return type, so I am mentioning void here. And the method I am going to create is values here. After that I want to pass two arguments in my values, which can store the name and mark. So I am creating two variables which is reference the name and mark. So inside string I am creating two variables which is s name. Instead of mark I am using s mark, and these tools are equal to this name and mark. So I am assigning s name, name equal to s name, and the mark is equal to s mark. These two are equal. So in my file, this file I am creating one class and assigning the not assigning. I am declaring two variables and creating the display method and the actual method. And in my next file I am creating the actual main method. This is not a actual main method in my previous. In my new file I am creating the original main method, which is public static void main string of arguments. But these two files which will be in one package, here I am using the default package. So my both files should be in the same package, then only it can run correctly. Public static void main string of arguments. Inside this I want to create an object first. So in my previous class name is example2. I want to take the example2 here, not example main, example2, then object name. Here I am taking the object name as object1, then new example2 of. Then I am taking, here I am not taking the reference method. Here I am taking the actual method which is values. Inside this I am pausing my values, which is name and mark. Name I am taking like abcd, and the mark I am taking like 1 2 3 4, or whatever you like, you can take it. And I want to display it, so I am calling the display method here by using object1 dot display of. Now my code is finished, and I want to run the code. I want to run the actual main method, not the normal method. I want to run my actual main method. So I am running example2 main java. Just run java application, we can get our output in the format of name space mark. So name I'm passing abcd, and the mark I am passing 1 2 3 4, and this is our output, and that's all.